Step into the future of surgery with live robotic demonstration organized by the Department of General and Laparoscopic Surgery. Robotics in surgery has evolved from a futuristic concept to a transformative force in modern medicine. What began as an aid for precision has now become an extension of the surgeon's hand, enhancing vision, dexterity, and control beyond human limitations. Today, the robotic platforms enable minimally invasive procedures with unparalleled accuracy, reducing blood loss, minimizing pain, and accelerating recovery. The sky is the limit for robotic surgery, starting from simple gel surgery to urology, to gynecology, to cancer surgeries and cardiothoracic surgeries, and even allied specialties like orthopedics and head and neck surgery. Robotics is redefining standards of care. But beyond technology, it's about the outcomes: safer surgeries, shorter hospital stays, and quicker return to normal life for patients. For surgeons, it offers ergonomics, precision, and the ability to perform complex procedures with confidence. Robotic surgery isn't replacing surgeons, it's empowering them. At its heart, this is not just about advanced machines, it's about better care, better healing, and better lives.